create new shipping classes, we go to Woocommerce settings, shipping classes. Here you can create as many as you want by clicking Add Shipping Class. You can put shipping class name, and I see someone already tried doing this. Previously I had fixed, free, and special. If you want to have more of them, it's better to put class rate in the name. So when you edit a product, you only see a shipping class name. Of course, it will be more comfortable to see the rate. So, say you can put €20. That's everything you have to do. Click Save Shipping Class. Then you're going to Shipping Zones, Ireland, Flat Rate, and here you see this shipping class is added, and you can put its rate in this text field. So you put it and you save changes. After that, you can go to Products, Added Product Shipping, and here you can select Shipping Class, where you see all the classes we had in the previous screen. So that's it. You select the class you want, you save the product. So you can create as many classes as you need, and probably some products will share same class, so there will be less classes than products number. So that's it.